Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today I'll be teaching you how to create end-screen annotations in your videos. The first thing you need to do is open the Chrome browser, open the youtube.com, so youtube.com. Now there you will see 3 dots on the right above. Click on it, the top one. Then there give a check mark to the desktop site. Now there click on the right above, in the rightmost you will see your channel's icon. Click on that. Now there click on my channel, the first option. Now click on Creator Studio. On the right side you will see a Creator Studio. Click on it. Okay, now here comes all the videos. Select the video for which you need to give the end screen. So I'm going to select this one, maybe this one, edit. Now let's go to edit. Now on the uppermost place you can see Endscreen and Annonations tab. Click on that. Okay, now you can see what a scale here, scale I think. Now place that blue color thing where you need to give those cards, that things and that element. Now here click on add element. Now if you need to add a subscribe button, click on that. It will come. Now if you need to add a video or playlist, click on it. Now choose a video or playlist, you can do anything. It's okay. Now there you can give whatever you need. So I'm going to give a playlist from this playlist. Now whatever you can add up to 4 elements. So after doing that, click on the save. Okay, so the all changes are saved. Now you can see there will be an end screen annotations for your videos. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So if you don't know how to subscribe, I know you know. Here you will see a subscribe button. Please click on it. I'm also a YouTuber like you. Please click on that, and also don't forget to click on that bell button. Bye my dear friend.
वो चली देखो प्यार की गली, उसे रोके ना कोई। वो चली ना 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 मेरी जान, देखो जाना ना।